This might be the coolest use of ChatGPT yet. Negotiating a Comcast bill. It's like the worst thing a human has to do, possibly. This is the kind of world we're entering. Just AI bots talking to AI bots. I just figured out how to make my head big. What's happening here? This is by Do Not Pay, the world's first robot lawyer. Incredible stuff that they're doing. You can do things with a click of a button that used to take a long time. Fighting parking tickets, getting bank fees down, government paperwork, blah, 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 blah. You can see around this, they're building some sort of browser extension. You can type in, lower my internet bill for me, but keep my current plan. They're saying, how can I help you today? And huge amount of text here, but let's look at some of it. Good morning. I have had 2 outages in the past 30 days. And then there's various specifics. So an odd thing about this is one of the times is EST and one of the times is PST. And that really doesn't make any sense if you're talking to a chat agent about your home internet service. The reason is pretty interesting that it gave is such as a loss of contract opportunities with clients expecting timely responses. This is classic ChatGPT nonsense. It's an amazing bullshitter. Furthermore, Comcast has been involved in multiple lawsuits. It's taken it up a notch, man. It went from my internet connections out to contract opportunities to lawsuits. Like, let's slow down a little bit here. Otherwise, I will switch providers immediately. It starts quoting FTC Act. Okay. This can use some conciseness and simplification. I can see even in the prompt saying what time zone the person is in could maybe fix some of this. Also telling it what persona to use. Right now, this persona sounds like it's arguing from a legal standpoint. It's more like, oh my gosh, it's so frustrating for me. Please, can you help? I feel like that's a better attitude. They say they're happy to fix the issue. The chat works very well because it's responding very naturally. I'm here and ready to answer any questions that you may have. I think this is probably 2 chatbots talking to each other right now. So now we're getting into the tyranny of the play. I'm here and ready to answer any questions. I appreciate it. Thank you. You are very welcome. Oh my God, it's still going. No problem. I appreciate your help. Now we get to something helpful. There's a deal in which you can save $10 on the same plan. Do you want to add it? Yes, that sounds like a great deal. So saving $10, I mean, it's not a home run, but that's better than nothing, especially if you don't have to actually talk to anyone. But here we get to a complete failure at what is your preferred contact or email address? Insert email address. No! Yet it works. I really just wonder what's happening here. I don't know if there's a human on the other end of this. And it's so bizarre to not know. I feel like this is the world that we're gonna have to deal with now. Pretty exciting. So saving $10 through ChatGPT Comcast, it's definitely a glimpse into the future. So what's next? They're already working on it. Josh Browder, who's the CEO of Do Not Pay, he says, anyone with a speeding ticket hearing coming up, please DM me. We want to build a bot that listens to the court hearing via your AirPods and whispers what to say. I actually want to get in my car and go get a speeding ticket just to test this. I want to actually say what it tells me to say in the courtroom. It's going to make some horrible mistakes too. I just want to do it verbatim with somebody filming it. After parking tickets, it's going to be medical bills. What's after that? I don't know, but these are some amazing first steps to see how AI can make human life better. I am excited to see what's next.